Hello everyone, welcome to Learn English again, and today we are going to learn about two words which are as and has. So let's first look at the sound of these two words. The sound of as is as, and the sound of has is has. As and has. Now let's learn about the use of as. So when do we use as? We use the word as to introduce two events happening at the same time. If two things are happening at the same time, so we use the word as. For example, as the show increases in popularity, more and more tickets are sold daily. So here, which two events are happening? The show is increasing in popularity, and due to that, the more tickets are being sold. One more example of as is, as you get older, moving house gets harder. So here again, two events are happening. One is getting older and the other is moving houses. So here we can see that we have used the word as to join two events which are happening together and which are connected to each other. One more use of as is similes. So what are similes? Similes compare two things using the word as or like. So they can make the sentences more interesting. For example, the sun is as bright as a diamond. Now here, if we say the sun is bright, it's a simple sentence, but when we are comparing the sun with a diamond, it's making the sentence more interesting, like the sun is as bright as a diamond. Okay, and the next one is like simile is another example of simile is like when we are talking about a girl and we say she runs, so it's a simple sentence, but when we are comparing it with a cheetah, so we say she runs like a cheetah. So again, it's making the sentence more interesting. Okay, and now let's see the use of has. So here, has is used with singular subjects and with the pronouns he, she, and it. So these are the words with which has is used. Okay. So now let's go back and see few examples of the use of as again. We'll read 10 sentences for the use of as. She sang as she walked down the street. He smiled as he read the heartfelt message. So if you see here, two events are happening together. She sang is the first event and then she walked down. So both are happening together and we are connecting these two sentences with the word as. Here, two events are he's smiling and then he read the heartfelt message. Now let's see some more. As I opened the door, a gust of wind rushed in. So first event is I opened the door and the second is gust of wind rushed in. Fourth sentence is they laughed as they watched the comedy show. So first is they laughed and second is they watched. Now next is as the sun set, the sky turned shades of pink and orange. Here again, first event is the sun is setting and the second is sky is turning shades of pink and orange. Okay, now let's read the remaining sentences straight away. She ran as fast as she could to match the bus. Your sister is as smart as you. Your car is as expensive as ours. Take your racehorse, it's as fast as my racehorse. Your computer is as new as mine. So these are some examples showing the use of as. And now let's see some sentences which use the word has. A rabbit has long ears. So with this sentence we can see that it is showing the possession of something, like the rabbit is having long ears. Next is Rohan has a new bicycle. Again here if we see Rohan is having the new bicycle, so it's showing the possession of cycle with Rohan. Another one is she is the only one who has done the assignment. Again here the word has is connecting with she because she has done the work, so it's about her, that she's the one who has done the assignment. Now let's read the other ones. He has got too many chocolates. Again the boy or the man is having too many chocolates. He has not got any appreciation for his performance in the class. This shopping mall has everything we need in daily life. This bird has red wings. He has a really bad cold. Susan has your pen. The car has a flat tire. So now these are the sentences which are using has and which are showing that the thing or the event is connecting with the subject. Okay, now I hope that you must have understood the use of as and has in sentences, and now it's time to say bye, and we'll meet again in another video. Till then, happy learning.